US p plus 3, p plus 5, p plus 7, p plus 9 times is equal to 9. And asked us to find the p-value. Now here, let's think about how I can find the p-value with which method. Now when I look, the numbers given here, if you pay attention, going in the form of consecutive odd numbers. In total, if we think of it as a term, there are 4 terms, and I am one of these. I'm trying to get the middle one, so what do I mean? Since there are 4 objects, I divide them into 4, and the middle one will come out to me from here, 4p plus.
Subscribe, hey, I'm telling you.
4 plus 24 divided by 4. P plus 6 is out. Now this is me to the p plus 6 we found. I need to make one variable change. What is this? We can take it as m. Again, according to the p plus 6 I see here. My p plus 3, p plus 5, p plus 7, p plus 9. I will have to redesign. If I say m to p plus 6, I'm the expression I call p plus 3 will come in the form of m minus 3. Similarly, if we apply in others m minus 1, m plus 1. M plus 3 is equal to, he obtained the equation 9. Now what is the part we need to pay attention to here? I'm looking immediately. Look here, algebraic identities have arrived. If I match the terms given here with similar opposite signs, so what do I mean? Let's multiply m minus 3 times m plus 3. Minus 1 times m plus 1. Let's see what kind of one expression we will come across when we hit them. M squared minus 9 in brackets times the other expression. In m squared minus 1 parentheses, the value of this expression is equal to, I have obtained the equation 9. Now you could multiply them directly from here. By the way, if you multiply them like this, so it can come out again, but something different. I keep going this way because I'm trying to show different methods will improve you. I will use the same method again. How many terms are there in total here? There are 2 terms. Let's try to get the average again, continuing in the same way. If you want to get the average, what will I do? M squared minus 9 plus. When we add the expression m squared minus 1, I'm making this statement divided by 2 because I'm talking about 2 terms. What will come from here? 2 times m squared minus 10 divided by 2. If we simplify this too, I can say that m squared minus 5 is the middle of these terms. Let's say what to that? Let's say x. This time, let's start by calling it x. So let's continue by changing the question. What should I do again? I will apply the above method. If I call it x, what should be the expression I say m squared minus 9? I think. Then this will happen, x minus 4. What will happen if you apply it the same way? X plus 4 is equal to, I got 9 colors. Now here, I think I can easily solve this question. Look again. Algebraic identity has arrived in this part. If I continue from here, x squared is equal to minus 16, and from here I find out what x squared is. In this case, I will find that it is 25. Now, if I find this 25, if I get it from here, 2 roots will come. What will come? The number I said x1. It becomes 5, and the number I call x2. What will come from here? I got the number minus 5. Now I found these x values. So what did I say x? I need to focus on it right away. M squared minus 5. I said x. I start writing right over there. When I say m squared minus 5, then first it is equal to 5.
Please like and comment.
M squared minus 5 is equal to the other value, minus 5. What will come if I continue from here? The expression I call m squared will be equal to the number 10 here. What will the expression I call m squared here equal? Was equal to 0. Now here again 2 roots. I will need. The value I say m1 will come from the root 10. The expression I say m2 will come from minus root 10. So what about my bottom roots? So those over there. When we look here, the expression m3 will come to 0. What will come again in m4? It's been 0. In this case, it's overlapping. So we've reached the same 2 root values. So what was the expression I said m? Let's focus on it now. Then what do I say? The expression I call p plus 6 is a root of 10, respectively. If I write like this, p plus 6 is equal to negative root 10. And finally, our implicit 0 root. So what will the expression we call p plus 6 come to? What can I say easily from here to 0? I'd say p is negative 6. The value we call p from here, let's call it p1. If the value we call p2 is root 10, minus 6 will come. p3, what will come in our last answer? The square root of minus 10, the value of minus 6 will come. So what are my solutions? If I show it with green color,
How would you rate this question out of 10? Could you like the video to make me happy? Thank you.
So where did they ask this question? Friends asked in the Harvard entrance exam. Perfect question. Learning this method will improve you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and follow. Explanatory of the video. If you think it is informative. Also to other videos, you can look. Please share with your friends, but please don't forget, I think it is a very good informative video. If you want more, please like it. See you, bye-bye.